All right, so my Tabor City home here, and you know, I picked this C-clamp up. It's a quick detach C-clamp at Harbor Freight the other day, just kind of wondering if it was going to be able to withstand the rigors of doing some automotive work, particularly brake caliper stuff. And I have to tell you, and I'm going to try to figure out a way to do this camera and manipulate this thing at the same time. I have to tell you that this thing with the little button, sorry for the shaky video, but again, I'm trying to do this one-handed. The way this thing works, this is actually a really good C-clamp. Yes, I know that there's brake fluid spitting out of the back of my caliper. That's by intention. I'm trying to compress these, so I have to go take the rotors for my truck and have them spun. I got a pulse in my pedal. But again, I'm gonna say that this particular C-clamp, if you're looking for a decent C-clamp, like this thing just bossed its way through compressing that caliper. If you're looking for a decent C-clamp, I would tell you to go to Harbor Freight and pick one of these things up. It actually works really well. All right, so my Tabor City home, get your C-clamp. Have a good day.